So in the last video, we got our polygon happening for our asteroid, and we want to now add a little bit of noise into the radiuses so it looks more like a rock. Let's do that. To do that, when we create the sizes here, we want to give it a bit of noise. So what we want to do is we want to add a little bit of noise, and I'm going to use a game Windows random generator to add a bit of noise. And the amount of noise I want, so it's probably times 6. I don't know, you decide. You can change how jaggedy you want it. You want this. Let's try that. There we go. So that's a lot better there. I think that looks good. Finally, it's fine. I want to go me.color now, just to make sure, and also set the color to gray because I set it to black. And I want to set the background now to black. So let's go back to the game window. Scroll down to our background, which is slate gray here. Put it to black. And I want to draw some stars. So let's create a new object called star. This is going to inherit from the base object, game object. And all this thing needs to do, actually, we'll see what I want to do. Let me draw some, the stars can be little spheres. Public overrides sub draw. We draw little spheres. What color should we make them? Maybe white. Public overrides sub load. Get rid of the base so it doesn't stuff me up. No, I'm fine with the base, but I will change the color. Me.color equals color.white. And this one, the position is as per usual, me.x minus size, me.size divided by 2. I should set it some size. You know what? It's going to have varying sizes. I'm going to go public. That issue is going to occur again. I'm just going to randomly generate a size in here. Probably wondering why I keep using the game Windows random function, shared function. You only want one random number generator in the whole game, and you want to use that every time, because you need to generate the next one. If you use another one, it can produce the same sequence. The sizes of the stars can be between 4 to maybe 10. So actually 4 to 10 means 4 to and then 6. Got to add up to 10. That's pretty good. That's it. Now we just need to spawn the stars in our game window, just like we spawned the asteroids. So exactly the same there. We'll call these. We'll make these game objects. Oh, we can make them stars, game objects, whatever. We can generate a whole heap of stars. And this time around, I'm not giving it a constructor. I'm just going to generate stars, and the stars itself is going to randomly put itself wherever it needs to. But I haven't done that actually. So I do that. I go start.load, last.load. The last star that I put into the list, I'll load it, and then it'll go in, then do it again. I'll generate like a heap of stars. In the update, and the star doesn't have any updates, so it's not animating or anything like that. But it should be behind the. It should be behind the asteroid, so we draw it first. So that's that. So if the star's not drawing for some reason, let's just check here. Me.color, color.white. Oh yeah, the position. I need to set the random positions. Me.x, me.y. And what I'll do is I'll set it straight in the star, because since it's random anyway, I don't need any fine control over it. X is the width. And the Y's will be the height. And I got size, position, and color. It should draw it. There they are. So the issue is weird. The issue is weird there. What am I going wrong here? I got width and the height. X and Y. Oh, it must be here. Here it is. Y, that's supposed to be Y. Yep, just fix that one up. There's our stars. Our stars draw up in front of our main character, because we need to draw the stars. The first thing we need to draw is our stars. So let's go in here. So we need to put this in front of, after the background, but in front of the ship. So our draw order is this, and then this. There we go. Oh, let's have a look at our time. You know, look, we got time. I want a restart button where if I press enter, it restarts. That's kind of what I want. Now, what's the enter button? Let's go back into this. Press enter. 13. So in our game window, in our update function, we'll handle our key press here. So if we go key check, if key check is 13, then we want to go application.restart, and we want to do that only when the game has stopped. So when the game stopped, we're allowed to do it. And do I stop the game when I lose? Lose is true. I should stop. Yeah, I stop the game when I lose. Do I stop the game when I game stop equals false? Let's stop the game when I win too. So when the game stops, I can restart. Whether I win or lose, the game will stop. Press enter, restart. Press enter, restart. And and you notice that alright, so our bullets are black. Let's change the projectiles color. Let's make it red. Am I using red? No, I need to go me.color. Alright. Yeah, I win. And look, I'm pretty happy with the game. We're pretty much done.